Hari Om everyone. Today we will discuss about yoga and its basic purpose. Yoga is the union of soul with the supreme soul. This is called salvation. History of yoga is 15,000 years old. Detailed mention of yoga in Vedas, Upanishad, Ramayana, Mahabharata and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The word yoga is mentioned in Rig Veda in the sense of joining or meeting. Maharshi Patanjali says yoga is the cessation of mind. According to Patanjali, the goal of yoga is to cool the attitude of mind through self-restraint by controlling the attitude of mind, by controlling the restlessness of mind. Yog Bhagaye Rog, it cures all types of disease and also increase blood circulation, makes muscles and joints flexible, prevent from diseases of arteries. 85% of diseases are rooted in our mind. Yoga is primarily a health enhancing and disease preventive discipline. By practicing yoga, body becomes healthy and strong. The mind becomes free from stress and became calm and concentrated. Through yoga, a meditator gets knowledge of his true nature, from which he gets the light of wisdom. He also gets supernatural powers from which he can do public welfare. By practicing yoga, happiness is attained. Today, India is being considered as a yoga guru in the world because no one has any doubt regarding the usefulness of yoga. Through yoga, it is possible to treat many diseases, especially stress-related diseases such as blood pressure, diabetes, asthma, anxiety, depression, arthritis, gas-related diseases, mental problem, etc. Through yoga, all can get healthy, well-formed and active body. Internal purification through Padkarma. Benefits of yoga: natural flexibility and fitness, cure all diseases, mind became calm and cool. Basic purpose of yoga is to build strength, awareness and harmony in both the mind and body. Its aim is to self-realization and attaining control over the mind.